Google shocks everyone by releasing powerful, professional-grade AI tools entirely free, instantly changing productivity for millions worldwide. People argue over paid chatbots, while Google quietly drops an insane full toolkit offering unmatched capabilities for free. This toolbox isn't basic. Researchers complete week-long tasks in seconds, gaining an unbelievable competitive advantage instantly. Forget single chat boxes. Google provides a full 6-tool workflow, transforming study, work, business, creativity, everything. Tool 1. Notebook LM becomes your ultimate academic weapon when overwhelmed with massive notes, chapters, and articles. Dump all chapters, notes, PDFs, and links into Notebook LM, which instantly reads, organizes, and summarizes everything. Audio Overview generates instant personalized podcasts of your notes, allowing learning while walking, relaxing, or multitasking. Notebook LM transforms dense material into a binge-worthy podcast, hosted in an engaging, easy-to-understand narration. Visual learners benefit from Video Overview, producing animated chapter explainers for fast, clear comprehension of complex content. A difficult chapter becomes a short animated summary, delivering clarity and saving hours previously spent struggling. Before exams, Mind Map mode generates interconnected visual structures, linking topics, subpoints, and major chapter themes. Mind maps condense everything into one powerful revision sheet, perfect for rapid exam day memorization. Quiz mode builds personalized practice tests entirely from your notes, revealing weaknesses instantly before the real exam. Notebook LM becomes a complete exam hack, replacing tutors, summaries, videos, and revision tools effortlessly. Tool 2, Gemini, becomes your central command center, understanding your data, tasks, preferences, and workflow seamlessly. Gemini connects Gmail, Drive, Photos, reading everything to provide tailored insights, summaries, and helpful assistance instantly. With one prompt, Gemini finds presentations, reads handwriting from photos, and summarizes key ideas accurately. It's more than a chatbot. It becomes your personal assistant, managing information across your entire digital world. Gemini's Deep Research feature analyzes the entire live internet, delivering expert-level reports with citations automatically included. Request complex analyses like financial trends, market predictions, or industry insights, and Gemini handles everything effortlessly. Gemini isn't just smart, it's creative, generating hyper-realistic product images tailored precisely to your descriptions. A perfect cinematic hero image is produced from a simple brief, eliminating expensive photo shoots completely. Google Veo generates professional-grade videos from still images, creating usable marketing clips almost instantly. 5-second 1080p promos are created automatically, replacing videographers and expensive B-roll subscriptions easily. Tool 3, Google AI Studio builds complete functional apps purely from text prompts without writing any code. Describe inputs, outputs, and goals, and AI Studio constructs interactive tools with real UI elements immediately. Testing the tool proves it works flawlessly, generating content dynamically based on user input instantly. AI Studio dramatically boosts productivity by automating repetitive tasks with custom apps designed in seconds. Its multimodality allows seeing, hearing, and talking, making it a fully interactive creative collaborator. Temperature settings let you control creativity precisely, switching between robotic accuracy and imaginative brainstorming.
AI Studio Live uses screen sharing to evaluate designs, documents, or projects and give immediate verbal feedback. This transforms AI into an active teammate that guides improvements and enhances your workflow instantly. Tool 4, Stitch, converts prompts into beautiful UI designs, generating professional layouts in seconds. Describe vibe, components, and layout, and Stitch produces polished, responsive designs automatically. The generated UI feels professional enough for real websites, perfect for small businesses and side hustles. Combine Stitch's visuals with AI Studio's logic to create complete, polished apps incredibly fast. This workflow provides world-class products without coding, design skills, or expensive freelance support. Tool 5. Pomeli scans any website URL to extract brand colors, style, tone, and identity instantly. It builds a full brand DNA, understanding visual identity better than many human marketers. Pomeli generates complete weekly social campaigns, matching brand style with accurate visuals and captions. This replaces entire marketing teams, producing professional content schedules with zero effort or cost. You now have research, writing, design, video, apps, and marketing, all automated and completely free. Tool 6. Opel builds AI tools themselves, creating mini-apps in seconds using simple natural language descriptions. Describe inputs and buttons, and Opel understands logic flows, building fully functional apps immediately. Publishing the app makes it instantly usable, perfect for everyday repetitive tasks you want automated. Long emails become simple translations and polite replies with one click inside your custom-built tool. Opel enables building specialized AI helpers tailored uniquely to your personal needs and lifestyle. Create idea generators, resume helpers, planners, or anything else without coding or technical knowledge whatsoever. This is the zero-coder dream, building tools that work exactly how you want them to. Google's full free stack becomes a complete factory, powering research, creativity, marketing, apps, and automation. Most people are still distracted debating paid chatbots, while this entire ecosystem remains unnoticed by many. This toolkit gives unstoppable leverage to anyone willing to learn and build using these free resources. You now access a research brain, creative studio, video editor, productivity engine, designer, and marketer. Each tool works together, forming a seamless workflow almost impossible to achieve with separate, expensive subscriptions. This setup eliminates excuses. Everything needed to create, learn, build, and scale is already free. 99% of people still don't realize this opportunity exists or how powerful it truly is. You now understand the entire system and can begin building without money, experience, or complex skills. Your unfair advantage starts the moment you decide to utilize these tools consistently and creatively. All 6 tools transform into a complete superstack, enabling limitless creation, automation, and innovation instantly. The future is already here, entirely free, waiting for you to build something incredible starting today.